So I'm good. I'm good. I'm fighting for my life. Okay, I'm gonna put you like right about here. I think this is a good distance. So basically, I haven't been trading so much these past couple of, this past week, 2 weeks kind of. This week it's because, less wholesaling, less cold calling, less all that shit. I got exams next week, and I really gotta focus on exams. But the week before, and even the week before that, I was just getting distracted by my friends. I would be hanging out with my friends, skipping class to hang out, instead of skipping class to trade. And, it's still kind of continuing. It's fucking up my focus. And I'm fairly certain it's because I see them every day at school. So I'm very excited for summer where I'm not going to be seeing them. I'll be talking to them, I guess, but, I won't hang out with anybody. I'll be just doing my thing, kind of like I did in 9th grade. But that's not the point. It's already been a minute. You probably already clicked off because I'm just fucking rambling about myself. I have to study for exams. I have to study for exams. And because of this, I will not be trading or posting or TikToking or cold calling as much. But I did take a trade today, and I would like to break it down with you guys. I would like to break it down with you guys, for you guys. But before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe because this video is very high quality. And 2, I fucking suck dick, balls, booty, dick, and ass at trading. So... Okay, let me put you down. Oh, okay, let's get started. So there were this week is quite news filled, right? And as you guys know, I'm not the greatest with news, although I do have a YouTuber that I do watch that has a pre-market prep on Sundays. But just immediately looking at the price action, very volatile. And I think this is definitely due to CPI, Core Producer Index, or Consumer Producing Index, or something like that. Which basically measures, I don't fucking know. I tried to find it from some tweet I looked at earlier. But I think the CPI measures the growth of the economy. Consumer Price Index as in how people are buying things and how businesses are, thriving. And so you can see lots of moves. Lots of moves. And if I go to the 5-minute, it'll be even clearer. You can see, super high. And, I was only able to trade up until 10:20 and then a little bit at from 11:20 to 11:40. And the move that I caught was at 11:37. I have a little bit of text written somewhere. Never mind. But yeah, essentially, I was just trying to take the fade from here at 11:37 down to this pre-market high level. And as you can see, it reversed immediately. So I got the trade wrong. Whatever. I think my setup was not that bad. I had written it down, but it's gone for some reason. Okay, now for some reason it's on the TradingView app, because I trade on my phone while I'm at school, so I will read it out to you. At 11:37, the VIX was bouncing off a level that I had charted. So let's go and see. VIX, 11:40. Right here, it had bounced off this level that I had placed, which I'm sure if I stretch it out, keep it like this, the VIX was bouncing off this level all day. And so I was kind of not expecting, but I was kind of looking for the continuation, right? Now, the next thing that I had written down, VIX futures in an uptrend. Oh my god. Okay, let me finish quickly because I just finished eating and I want to go train in the morning, so I gotta go to bed soon. But again, the VIX futures this time at 11:37, I even have a line here. The VIX futures was in a huge uptrend. It had been in an uptrend for hours. Okay, I don't know why I just lied. That's not true. But if I go to the 11:36 candle, it was still in an uptrend after this huge move up, and then it broke down immediately after that. But now that we got the volatility, I was catching the fade off the weekly level, which, by this candle you can tell. Oh, there it is. By that candle you could by this candle right here, you could tell there's a lot of sellers sitting right above this level. So I plotted this, and exactly what I thought would happen. We came up, tested this area, and the sellers stepped in, brought the price back down. At 11:37, you can see how these candles right here, these two candles poked out above the average volume. That white line is the average, and you can see how it's kind of, the volume is increasing. Even in these ones down here, you can see how the red volume is becoming more dominant within these green candles. I was mostly watching the reaction at this level, this KDW level, and watching the candle close below the KDW level was a good bearish indication. This one closed below, entered right here, went in a profit, had my stop loss right here, and then the next candle just blasted through it, and then I ended up not actually getting out up until like 1 o'clock because I had lunch. But I was only down like $40. I paper traded because I'm not good enough at real trading. The lighting got worse because it got darker outside. In conclusion, I suck real bad at trading, but I'm gonna keep trying. Never give up.